Hello there. So, you want to pack an emergency winter kit for your car. Good idea. Why? Because in the winter you're more likely to get stuck overnight by bad weather, more likely to have certain issues with your car, and more likely to be delayed by other people's accidents. But never mind, an emergency winter kit can get you out of trouble, and I'll show you what to pack. Grab a pen. Welcome to Car Spy TV, where we discuss buying, driving, maintaining and selling cars, because it's interesting. So, if you like this sort of content, subscribe to my channel. It's free, then you'll find it easier to access my other videos. Right, let's get back to the winter kit. A multi-purpose power pack is a portable battery that solves all sorts of problems. For instance, it can jump-start your car if cold weather kills its battery. If your car's battery is towards the end of its life, this is a realistic possibility. A flat battery is one of the most common causes of winter breakdown. Your power pack might also have a tyre pump in case you get a puncture, a light so you can see to work, and a USB port to recharge your phone so you don't lose touch if you're stuck at the roadside for some time. That's a lot of capability in one device. Your car's emergency winter kit also comes in handy if you're struggling for traction in the snow. Pack snow chains, for example. Just make sure you get the right size for your wheels. A cheaper alternative if you're stuck on a spot is to sprinkle a gritty material such as sand close to your wheels. That might give you just enough grip to get going. Plus, of course, if your car's half buried in snow, a foldable shovel helps you dig it out. Mine's gone rusty. Right, personal supplies. Life can be uncomfortable if you're stuck in cold weather for an extended period. Potential issues include hypothermia and dehydration. So, pack plenty of warm, high visibility clothing and make sure that includes sensible footwear in case you have to move about. Also pack food and drink, plus a plentiful supply of any important medication. Perhaps, for example, you need blood pressure pills. Okay, here's a quick list of miscellaneous items for your car's emergency winter kit. It includes de-icer, an ice scraper, a brush to get rid of snow, heated hand warmers, a first aid kit, a whistle to attract attention, and of course a warning triangle. And there was one more thing I can't quite remember. But never mind, of course the alternative to all these things is to stay home and wait for summer. This is your opportunity to have your say via the comments section of this video. So let me know, what else do you carry in your car's emergency winter kit? Also, do me a favour and click like on this video, that helps me out, and share it on social media. Right, that's all for now. I'm off to build a snowman.